Now we're going to take a look at lead, lag, head, and tail. And the functions are very similar. The code is fairly easy to understand as we come through and take a look at it. Lead is lag is one of the top 20 queries made down there, which is a little bit odd in that we're normally not interested in lag. But lag and lead are really very, very similar, as you'll see as we come down here. The lead function returns the member, specified number of positions after specified member on the same level. Lag is the reverse. Returns the member before on the same level. The head function, specified number of elements, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, from the beginning of a set. Head is commonly used with the order function as we'll use it. Tail is the reverse. You know, tail shows me the dogs. Return specified number of elements from the end of the set. So we'll take a look at our code. And I don't want to look at tail first. First thing we're going to take a look at is not bad. Down here, we're going to take a look at lead, and let me close this up so I don't have that open in there. So lead down here, and I'm bringing in 2, and when I execute it down here, I'm asking for February 2006, and I want to lead back there, so I'm back to December 2005, January, December, and it makes sense. Okay, so there's my lead, and if I move on over to my lag function, now I'm asking for lag, and again I'm passing in 2, and February, March, April. All right. Now if I change this to a negative integer and re-execute the query, now I'm back in here at April 2006, and if that's on my lag, and if I go back over to lead, if I go back back over to lead and change that, remember in December. Now I'm going to reverse that, and I'm going to put in a negative integer. And now I'm December 2005. So you see lead and lag are very, very similar depending on if we go forward or if we go back or if we use a positive or a negative integer. Now, here's my head function. And as I said, I'm using that quite often within the order. You know, so down here I'm asking for reseller gross profit on the column. And now I'm using the head, and what I want to retrieve is the top 5 by using the order function. And I want to break the hierarchy, so break descending, all right, as I drop on down there, and I'll change it out in a second to show you what it's like if I don't break the hierarchy. So now when I execute that code, I come through, and here, as you can see, as they drop on down, here's the top 5 of members showing of reseller by reseller gross profit. If I don't break the hierarchy, re-execute the code. Now the hierarchy is intact. And as you see, as we drop on down, so it doesn't make a whole lot of sense here unless I break out the hierarchy. Tail's the reverse. Again, now there I want to look at the tail, so who are the dogs, and as I drop on up here, as I come on through and I'm breaking descending, and I can also do an ascending. So now as I'm dropping on down, I can do it either way. And that's all there is to lead, lag, head, and tail. Very easy to understand functions.